Good afternoon, Mr. Arya and fellow classmates of Industrial Engineering. We from Automata, consisting me, Albert, Dafa, Aris, Alif, and Ranga, is going to present about our quality systems improvement proposal about Kenalink. Next, please. So, Kenalink is a startup founded in 2020, specializing in digital ID cards. So they transform traditional business cards into a digital format. With B2B interactions, they cater to Gen Z and professionals, offering seamless ordering via their website and fast delivery within a week. So here's their vision, which is becoming a digital world startup company embraced by society and to create a simplified yet effective and efficient networking experience. And their mission are maximizing the utilization of technology, creating a platform to exchange information, transforming conventional business card into digital format, and facilitating business card cultures among individuals. And here are their product design. Next.
So this is the company structure for Kenalink, starting the CEO with Faisal Iskandar, and for the communication department with Safina Salma, and for the COO or Chief Operation Officer with Sultan Jati, and CFO Adrian Macy, and finally CMO Zeran Fatiha. Next. Okay, so for the selection of why we select Kenalink over several potential companies that we could analyze, that we analyzed through both chart, and this is the result. Next.
Okay, so what are our voice of customers? So what they say about Kenalink? So the review from the Kenalink for our product is it's an amazing breakthrough by utilizing a new feature, NFC. Then what website security does Kenalink use to maintain customer privacy? Why not combine with existing card, long maintenance period in July 2023, additional features such as e-money will be better. Why don't develop an attendance feature especially for companies? Then from this, we analyze, then we get the complication, which are cards won't work on Android, cards won't work on iPhones, privacy concerns if card lost, and the accessibility of the data. So the key question is, how can Kenalink improve the customer experience? Next. Okay, then from the voice of customer, we further analyze it to become the critical to quality aspect. So this is the CTQ of the Kenalink. So the need is how to make Kenalink cards better for the customer. And then the need driver is the waiting duration, product quality, Kenalink main server, data security, and additional features. The CTQ for the waiting durations are printing time and delivery time. For the product quality are printing quality and NFC accuracy. And the Kenalink main server are NFC compatibility, speed of data. For data security are data security and card security. And the additional features are presentation and e-money integration. Next.
So this is the process flowchart. The Kenalink card takes about 7 days from ordering to the doorstep of the customer. So the first step is the customer logs onto the website. Then the customer submit the data. Customer is redirected to WhatsApp, and then they will make a payment. If the payment is good, then the data is saved by the server, and then the card is shipped to the printing vendor. The card is printed. It takes about 3 days if the card is a normal card, or 7 days if there's a personalization on the cards. And then the card is shipped back to Kenalink, and then the data is coded onto the NFC chip on the card. Then the card is packaged. The card is then shipped to the customer, and then finally the customer receives the card after 7 days approximately. And then for the CPOC, the display is the process from the supplier until the company obtains the output. So the suppliers here, we have the NFC card vendor and also the printing vendor. And the inputs for Kenalink is also the NFC cards and the printed cards that we have that Kenalink has from the vendors. The process that Kenalink offers is to activate the NFC chip inside the cards to provide contact details for the customer. The way they do this is by using the customer data they put in a website, and then they coded it into the NFC chips. The outputs is the Kenalink cards, the smart business cards that can share information with a tab. So what are the customers? The customer are enterprise clients, offices they use Canalink, and also they want to market to Gen Z customers also. Next.
So here are the project charter. So for the project name is Canalink, and then the description goal is to the efficiency and quality of the Canalink, addressing by the CTQs that are from what we've said before. And then for the scope, there's the in scope and then the optimization of the printing, and then the quality improvement. For the out is the overhaul the card design, and then to change the website interface. So for the business case are from the CTQ directly addressed from the customer feedback, and then for the concerns there are four from the time, budget, quality, and scope. For the deliverable, reduce car production, and then 95% NFC functionality, and then in-charge the printing quality. For the estimated budget is $0, and the milestone are process analysis, implementation of improved printing, testing phase for the NFC, and full deployment and customer feedback collection. So for the full project charter, we can see in the docs link below. And then for the recommendation, Canalink should improve its most critical to quality in items, thus improving customer experience. And for the conclusion is there's still potential for enchanting Canalink, particularly in terms of security. Additionally, the card could benefit from the integrator of more features, and valuable insight could be gained from the considering FOC suggestions. So thank you so much.